Hi everybody. Hi everybody. This is Daniel from Screenly. Today we're going to be jumping into how we can show Miro online mind maps and flowcharts on your Screenly digital signs. Miro is a really great tool for online collaboration and showing complex workflows or even just to-do lists. And when you show that data on your digital signs, it can make it more accessible in your office place and more visible to hopefully enable more communication and collaboration among your team. To get started, we're going to jump into the Screenly dashboard here. Go to the left-hand side on the Screens tab and you click Add Screen. What we're going to do is our Screenly Anywhere base screen, which allows you to launch a screen on your existing device with no other hardware required. And to do that, go to anywhere.screenly.io and you'll have a pairing code here. So this pairing code allows your Screenly account to know where it's sending the information. Here the pairing code is X98Y. Okay, so we're going to put that in. X98Y, okay. And then the next part here, R3AA. R3AA, and we're going to call this test screen. So we're going to add this to our profile now. Okay, it's going to take a moment here to add. How it works in Screenly is you add content and then you assign that content to playlists and then you add screens to those playlists. So right now we have a test screen, okay, which is what we just added. And of course, we need to add content to this screen. We need to get that content within Miro. So if you navigate to your flowchart or whatever um, uh, dashboard you have in Miro, on the right-hand side, you'll see a share button. Here at the bottom, where it says anyone with the link, you want to make sure you click Viewer and then Copy Board Link. Okay, so now we have this share link. And we're going to go back to our Screenly account and go to the Content tab on the left-hand side. You can click New Content, and then in the click URL here at the top. Here would be if you're uploading like a image, video, and then paste in that URL. And then what you want to click is Finish, okay? And it will add this content to your Screenly account, and you'll be able to add a title and then save it momentarily here. Okay, just transferring, thinking about it here. Takes a second. And perfect. Okay, so we can add a title here and then just be sure to press the save button as well. Okay, so now that we have this content here, we added it before in this demo case, but you can see how it was just recently added as well. Now that we have this content here, we want to make a playlist. We'll click the New Playlist button on the top right, and we'll call this flowchart and ideas playlist. Okay, and what we want to do is we want to add that content to the playlist. Okay, click Done, and then we need to select the screen, the test screen, where we want this playlist to run. You can also do some really advanced scheduling with Screenly, but right now we're just going to leave it for today and to play now. Okay, here we click Save. Okay, perfect. Here we are. We have the playlist with the content, and it's also added to the screen. We can check that here, and momentarily it will start playing on the screen. So that's it. That's how you use Miro and Screenly to display your flowchart, to-do list, collaboration content onto a digital sign. So that's it. You can get started today with a Screenly free trial for 30 days, no credit card required. You can jump inside the Screenly app and start displaying your own Miro flowcharts and dashboards. Let us know how we can help, and welcome to Screenly. Thanks.